Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning aim assist on and off in COD Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Aim assist helps you with your aiming, but some people might prefer to have it turned off. From the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen. In Settings, tap Basic. The first option here in Basic Options is for Aim Assist. You can enable or disable it by tapping the toggle. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.